Demanding a stronger Lokpal, Team Anna sat on a hunger strike at Jantar Mantar from today. However, social activist Anna Hazare will start his fast from 29th of July. He is taking part in the dharna. Before sitting on dharna, he paid tribute to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, at Rajghat. He reached New Delhi yesterday and addressed a press conference. He blamed the government of not keeping its promise on the Lokpal issue. However, the government highlighted the slew of measures taken by it over the last 1 year to tackle corruption, which include ending the discretionary powers of ministers and time-bound decisions on prosecution requests.
Their focus continues to be on the Lokpal bill. They are also demanding an independent probe into allegations of corruption against 15 union ministers. Arvind Kejriwal had earlier said details of Pranab Mukherjee's alleged involvement in corruption would also be made public today.
अगर लोकपाल आ गया तो इनके 15 मंत्री जनता के सामने आ जाएंगे और ये 15 मंत्री अगर आ गए और वो जो 15 मंत्री चले गए तो सरकार कहाँ रहेगी? ये लगता है, इसलिए इनकी मंशा नहीं है।
हम लोग सब अन्ना जी के मार्गदर्शन में ही चल रहे हैं। तो कल हम लोग पूरा दिन लिक्विड डाइट पे थे और पिच के पहले 2 दिन से हम लोगों ने अनाज नहीं लिया था, हम लोग केवल फ्रूट्स खा रहे थे इसकी तैयारी के लिए। आर्या पार की लड़ाई आज से शुरू हो रही है भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ। वो इसलिए क्योंकि पिछले 1 साल से सरकार ने बार बार धोखा दिया है, तो इस बार हम उनके झूठे आश्वासनों पे आने वाले नहीं है। इस बार तो पक्का समाधान ढूंढ के ही निकलेंगे, उठेंगे यहाँ से।
What an amazing contradiction in Indian democracy, or strength of Indian democracy. On one hand, one person is being elevated, a son of India is being elevated as President of India. And on the other hand, 3 sons of India, which is Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and Gopal Rai, led by Anna Hazare, and the entire community of India Against Corruption volunteers around the country are sitting on a fast. What an amazing coincidence.
The very fact that you are here means that you're not where you think you should be. Yeah.
सर अन्ना आज फिर से आंदोलनरत है। उसके सबसे बड़ी उसकी शिकायत यही है लोकपाल के को नहीं बनाया गया, पहली बात। और दूसरी बात, उन्होंने मंत्रियों की एक फहरिस्त निकाली है और वो कहते हैं इंडिपेंडेंट जांच आयोग बैठाई जाए, तभी जाकर सदन से उठेंगे।
उनको यूनाइटेड नेशंस को लिखना चाहिए ना। भारत में और इंडिपेंडेंट क्या होगा? सुप्रीम कोर्ट जिस चीज को रद्द करता है, उसको नहीं स्वीकार करता है, उसके लिए वो इंडिपेंडेंट जांच बैठाना चाहते हैं। इंडिपेंडेंट जांच बैठाना चाहते हैं उन बातों पे जो उन्होंने डिपेंडेंटली बनाई है। उन्होंने कौन सी इंडिपेंडेंट जांच से ये बनाया है कि 5 मंत्रियों का होना चाहिए?
नहीं, सलमान साहब, जिस तरीके से आप बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा लगता है कन्फ्रंटेशन हो सकता है ऐसे में। तो नहीं, कॉन्फ्रंटेशन नहीं हो सकता है। हम लोग जनता को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, जनता के साथ जो कॉन्फ्रंट करेगा वो जनता बताएगी।
We have within a month or so, which was available to us to function, we have had almost 4 to 5 meetings in a month and a half. So you can see that the committee is trying to speed up the proceedings, but let's see.
But it looks difficult that it will come in the monsoon session.
It looks difficult.
As far as the Congress party is concerned, Congress workers are concerned, whether it is NSY or Youth Congress or parent organization, we are not a party of violence. We will follow democratic principles. The allegation which they are making is unfounded allegation, which is not based on any facts, and it is unfortunate they are making this allegation against NSY, which is not acceptable, and in fact they are trying to divert the attention of the people.
Team Anna says that the government is not committed, and that's the reason why they need to go on this hunger.
No, I have just said that if the government was inactive on this front, maybe people could have made that kind of a charge, but it's not the case. This bill has been passed in Lok Sabha. It was brought to the Rajya Sabha, which is mandatory. There were over 185, I believe, amendments. There was so much discussion, it could not be passed. It's been brought again and been sent to the select committee by the members of the parliament. because they want more discussion, they want the bill to be as powerful, as complete as required.